This is my furnace. This is my chest, my crafting table and my bed. Some mud, some planks, some roots, some bamboo, a torch. Whoops! I broke the torch. Okay, I placed it again. There is a lot in my inventory. I am opening and closing the door. Now I am inside the house. Now I am outside the house. There is some bamboo and sugarcane. I am inside again. I am going to make an iron axe. Okay, I made it. The iron axe. It. I am outside again now. Cut down. I will cut down the bamboo. I cut down the bamboo with an axe. I got a lot of bamboo. It fell on the sand and in the water. I got all of the bamboo. All. The sea is beautiful. I see the sky too. I am underwater. There is a lot of seaweed underwater. I will make some jungle planks. I made them. I am going to make some bamboo planks. I made them. Not it. Them. I broke the door. I am cutting down the walls. I will make new walls. I am going to make a new house. A big house. I am cutting down my roof. I am cutting down bamboo and cutting down roots. I am cutting it all down. I am getting every block. All of the blocks. Every block. I am getting every mud block. All of the mud blocks. I am going to make a new house. I am going to make a wall. I am placing a lot of jungle planks. Every block is jungle planks. Okay, I need more planks. I will use mangrove planks. I like this color. It is red. Red mangrove wood. Will not, won't. I won't place all of the mangrove planks now. I will place some of them. That looks good. Now I am placing some mangrove roots. They look good. I need more. I used all of them. I am going to place more mangrove plank blocks. And now I am placing jungle planks. It looks cloudy. There is a lot of cloud. Next, I am going to place some bamboo blocks. My roof will be bamboo. This house has a lot of wood. I see my boat on the water. It is a good color. My house needs some windows. That looks good. I need more bamboo blocks. That water is very cold. Boo. It is raining outside. It is not raining inside. Yay! I am happy. My boat is good. I like my boat. The color is good. See, it is raining. I see the desert and the jungle. It all looks beautiful. The walls need more blocks. The house needs windows. I want a beautiful house. I need more bamboo. I am going to make some. It is raining outside. I have some coal in my inventory. I have some melon slices too. I have some mud. More coal. I have some white carpets. And pumpkin seeds. 2 pumpkins. Stripped bamboo. Jungle planks. A stone hoe. An iron axe. Some torches. I need more. Some shears. I cut the wool with the shears. Some raw copper too. I don't want it. Some cobblestone. I like my iron sword. A sapling. I make bread with wheat. I am getting some food. I am hungry and I want some food. Now I am planting some wheat seeds. Okay, that looks good. Now I am going to cut down more bamboo. I need to make more bamboo blocks and make the roof of the house. I cut down all of the bamboo. The bamboo fell on the sand. I got all of the bamboo. Now I am planting new bamboo. I planted more bamboo. I swam. I closed the door and now I am inside my house. I will use all of the bamboo. I am making bamboo blocks. Yay! I have 4 blocks. Now I will place every bamboo block. I placed every block. I need more. I will make some fences and some windows. The fence blocks look good. I like crafting. I am using my crafting table. There is a lot in my inventory. Okay, that looks good. There is no sun. There is no moon. There are no stars. There is rain. There are clouds. It is night now. My house looks cute. My boat. I see some seaweed. The coral reef looks beautiful. The ocean looks good too. I see an underwater pumpkin. I see underwater seaweed. My house looks new. Sand, the sky. Door. Good night.